Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories. And what do we have today? We have the Retrax EQ and a Ford F-250. But before we get started, if you have questions, we have great answers. That is our telephone number right there. So come on over here, Dee. By the way, Dee, our latest and greatest newest employee, is here, and she's doing the filming here. So before we get started, this is the Retrax EQ. Now, the EQ is basically it's an electric cover if you're not familiar with it, and it has T-slots on here as well. And I tell you, I like this product. I mean, I like Retrax in general. We've been selling it for a long time. High quality product. Now, what is different on the EQ versus the regular Retrax Power is basically this one you will work with the factory remote, and it works with an app, and we're going to show you both. So basically, we want to go ahead and open this up. So let's go ahead and open the tailgate. Okay, let's say, whoop, that's it. There's a tailgate. And now I'm going to go open the cover. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. There we go. Kind of. Am I hitting the right button? There we go. We'll leave the bloopers in. Okay, so as you can see, it works with a remote. And a lot of things I like about this. I mean, I find the Retrax the most reliable one of the bunch. You know, we do a lot of electric covers, and I have less problems with the Retrax, which I like a lot. Now, one thing about the EQ, if you notice, it does have a smaller canister than the standard models. So it gives you a little bit more room in there. And as you can see with the wiring, when we did not go into the floor or with the training system, we use existing holes already. Ford actually put some holes down there. And so this way there's no drilling into any metal. Those actually are plastic, so it's a great way to attach everything here. I like this. As you can see, he has a bed extender. And as you can see, that works just fine with it as well. Perfect clearance here. Now these are removable if you need to take them out. Now the Retrax EQ does come with a light on the driver's side. They do offer an option, which this one has, a light on the passenger side. So, and I do like having two lights. I just think it looks a little nicer here. Now again, to close it, basically what you do is on these, you're going to hit it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now you do have to pace it a little bit. That's why I wasn't doing. I think I was going a little too fast before. And you can stop anywhere you want. You know, you can do whatever you like on there. So again, I like this cover. I like Retrax. It's made in the United States, which I find a better quality product made in the United States. And it's a great looking cover. It's a nice feature. If you notice, I don't have to hold the button. As I push it, I can go do whatever I want to do on this. And basically the cover will do its own thing. Now, a couple of little cosmetic differences. The reason they have a smaller canister is the slots are a little smaller on here. So they're able to condense it a little bit more, and that give you more room inside the bed. So that's kind of one of the cosmetic differences. It does have a really nice seal here. It's hard to tell. Now, what's nice about that seal is this is going to sit. I don't know if he has the electric one here. Yeah, he does. Okay. So that's going to sit on top of the tailgate. So it's going to seal up a little bit better there. And as you can see, everything's working that this truck comes with. So all your bells and whistles. I mean, he's got a nice truck. He said, you know what? I got a great truck. I'm going to have a great cover, you know. This way you're not putting sneakers with a tuxedo. He's got the nice dress shoes with this. Again, if you like this product, we can ship it. Oh, before I get going, come over, buddy. This has the app. Buddy wants to show you the app for it. So if you want to use the app to open and close it, you can as well. So that's pretty good. Now, I noticed the app doesn't work on the GMs, only on the Fords and some of the other models for whatever reason. Luckily, he has a Ford, so he gets all the bells and whistles there. Pretty cool feature there. So if you have to open it. Now, is there a distance thing with this, or this can be anywhere? Bluetooth. Okay. All right. So, but it's nice to have a second option. The battery and the remote died, you can still go onto the phone and open your cover. All in all, a great setup. I mean, I had a customer who worked in the military, and when you go to the bases, he had to pull up there, and on his old cover, he had to go outside and open the cover. But now when he got his new cover, he could just hit the remote, opened it up, they look inside the bed, close it back up, made life a lot easier. I like this. I think it looks good. Most important, it functions good. Again, I'll put some information like the warranty, all of that in the bottom of the video. And I'll put a link for this product at the bottom of this YouTube video as well. And don't forget, we can ship this anywhere in the United States. You can come here, let's install it for you, where we put a 1-year labor guarantee on everything we do. Or we ship it out. And if you have questions, you can always call us. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a Retrax EQ on a Ford King Ranch Super Duty. Oh, don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.